doesn't look like asana, it looks like sasana. Get up.
Yoga.
Okay, fine. I understood you want to do yoga. I'll teach you. Follow my instructions, okay?
Okay.
Let us do the first asana.
So this is an example for positive correlation.
Yoga helps us to bring the positive vibes in our body, which also inspire, like it also gives positivity to other person when you do it. So this was the best example for positive correlation.
Thank you.
There are different types of correlation. The type which we are discussing right now is high degree positive correlation. A takeoff of aeroplane is the best example for high degree positive correlation. You might wonder why. Let me explain. During takeoff of any aeroplane, the first step is moving in a straight path. Then altitude is increased a little, and then it goes into another straight path. In the second step, it takes off. It increases its altitude, and then when it reaches a certain or optimum altitude, it just continues in the same direction. It doesn't bend down, it doesn't go up, it just continues. But this is the only example where we'll just have a constant altitude or an increasing altitude. That's why it is the best example for.
Today we are going to learn about compound interest. Mansa, what are you doing?
Nothing. I'm listening to your class.
Hello ma'am, you gave me 99 instead of 100 ma'am. There has been a mistake.
Oh, is it? Learn from her. Here, mom. 100 on 100.
Thank you ma'am.
You should see how good she's doing her exams.
After my assignment, can you give me some extra problems?
Why not? Sure. It's right over there.
Okay ma'am.
The assignment. What is it on? I was just praising you, you know. Where is your assignment, Manasa? I want it fast.
It's not due till Monday, I don't have to do it.
Today is Monday.
I'll submit by today evening.
It's already evening.
Did you even start your assignment, Mansa? I want your assignment by tomorrow morning on my desk, and tomorrow's test you must ace it. Or for negative correlation.
The negativity from arrogant student is passed to the teacher and it is affected on the good student.
So today our concept is about highly negative correlation. Here we can see three persons. In this picture we can see that he has a lot of hair. In this, when he comes to middle age, he doesn't have that much hair, and finally he loses all of his hair, I think. So the graph goes from top to bottom. హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ టు అవర్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఏది నిజం ఏది వైరల్. ఇవాళ అందరూ అంటుంటారు ఆయిల్ రాస్తే జుట్టు బాగా పెరుగుతుందని. అది నిజమా కాదా? ఇప్పుడే మేము మీకు చెప్పబోతున్నాం.
నూనె రాయడం వల్ల చాలా లాభాలు ఉన్నాయి. వాళ్ళకి హెయిర్ మొత్తం డ్రై అవ్వకుండా చాలా కాపాడుతుంది, ఇంకా డీహైడ్రేట్ అవ్వకుండా కాపాడుతుంది.
Almond oil, you get shiny, natural looking bar. ताकि आप कलर करो.
God, it's so good, but still I miss my hair.
This is the best example what I did for the no correlation. It should not contain positive, negative, high degree and high degree negative. So when I did positive, it is a no correlation between asking code for the C programming to the yoga people, and in the negative correlation, in the teacher is explaining max I'm doing the yoga. This is not no correlation in that. And in the third one, what I did is asking a person, the pilot, that where the plane will stop at the stations. This is a no correlation between that. And at the last, asking a old man to comb his hair because he don't have hair. Even though asking, this is in that no correlation is there. In no correlation, positive, no negative, high degree positive, correlation. Thank you.